Today we're looking at the Hyperlite Mountain Gear Prism Pack. That's next. Welcome to Backcountry Renegade. I'm Jeff. This channel is all about backcountry adventures and all the gear in between. If you're into those things too, consider subscribing. Today we are looking at the Hyperlite Mountain Gear Prism Pack. This is an awesome pack for alpine adventures, especially in winter conditions. Constructed of Dyneema, this is ultralight, waterproof, and weather resistant. Let's check it out in a bit more detail. The Hyperlite Prism Pack is a new pack from Hyperlite that is ultralight and is great for winter climbing pursuits and an all-round mountaineering pack. This is a minimalist pack that has a lot of versatility and it is super light and durable, but it can also hold a lot of technical specific gear for your climbing adventures. It comes in various sizes of torso links as well as various sizes of hip belts. This is also a great pack for ski mountaineering, and it is pretty flexible in that it can compress a lot, but it can also expand when you do need to really stuff it down. This sells new for about $425. As you can see, I have the Prism Pack here, and it has a lot of technical features as well. You have a normal ice axe loop down here. You have technical ice axe loops up here as well with this little pocket. You also have a front pocket that holds crampons and everything. And inside you can hold a lot of gear from tents, from clothing, and other mountaineering specific gear in here. So let's take it all out and we'll look at this pack and all the features that it has. The pocket here, as you can see, features this Dyneema pocket here that is pretty durable and reinforced so that you can fit crampons in pretty easily. It's plenty durable for crampons and it's not going to puncture very easily. So here are my Gravel 12s that I go ahead and put in there. They're rather larger crampons that you see. You can go ahead and strap it down to get it nice and secure, and they fit nicely in there for that. You also have this pocket which Hyperlite Mountain Gear calls a diamond pocket. It's for your technical ice tool attachments. The blades would go and cross here and they'd sit nice and secure in there. And then you have these bungees that can hold the handle of those technical ice axes. Basically how you would secure it is you just fold this over and they're nice and secure right there. You also have this additional loop right here for a traditional mountaineering ice axe. And so I have mine right here that I'm going to put in. And as you can see, it just folds right in there. And then the bungee here will go ahead and secure the handle. When you want to remove it, you just simply lift it up and it comes out very nice and quick for that. The top lid is fixtured by these G hooks here, which are pretty adjustable as well. So you just take them off of this little gear loop that you have here, and that opens up the main compartment of the backpack here. When you take off the top lid here, you also have this strap here that you can actually go ahead and strap down a rope pretty easily, and it can hang on the sides under the compression straps. And you can just pop that open, and as you can see, you have the inner contents here just by opening it up that way. The capacity of the Prism Pack is 40 liters typically here. You also have an additional 3 liters with the top lid. The top collar also expands, so giving you an extra 10 liters of room here. And so you can go ahead and overstuff this pretty well if you need to. But as you can see, you can really fit a lot of material in here. I like to put in these stuff pods. It really helps maintain the structure of the pack, but it also keeps it additional waterproof if you do need it as well. You're gonna get probably maybe 2 to 3 days out in the backcountry. Anything more than that, you'll probably need something a little bit bigger than this backpack. The weight of the Prism Pack is 2.2 pounds, or that's 34.5 ounces with the hip belt and the top lid included. So pretty ultra light considering everything that you're getting with this pack. Let's talk about the material of the pack. The material of the Prism Pack is made out of 2 variations of Dyneema composite fibers. You have the white DCH 150, and you also have 375 denier DCHW. The material where you do want a little bit more durability, such as the crampon pouch, the diamond pocket, and then the sides as well, is actually 375 denier DCHFW. So that's a woven material that's a little bit more durable and a little bit more abrasive than just the regular Dyneema you see on other packs like the Southwest or Junction. And the reason is because it provides some extra wear points to where if you're using the side carry for skis and A-frame, it's gonna have more durability than just the typical Dyneema. So you don't have to worry about ripping or tearing it or scraping it. The bottom and pockets are that same kind of 375 denier DCFW, and it definitely helps reinforce the pack overall. When you open the top lid here, you also get that expansion collar here. And as you can see, this is a different material than the typical Dyneema. It's probably the weakest part of the backpack, but you're not gonna run into any sharp things on this side of the pack. It's actually 210 denier nylon. Hyperlite Mountain Gear says the load capacity is about 50 pounds. From my experience, I probably wouldn't exceed 40 pounds. 40 pounds and under is pretty much the comfort area. After that, you start to see maybe a little bit of bending in the frame, and it bulges in your back, creating kind of like a rounded area, which can be a little bit uncomfortable. But around 40 pounds or less, this pack is pretty good for that. The top lid is attached by these G buckles here, which go into these little web loops, and you can go ahead and expand them if you're going to overstuff this pack, but you can also compress it down nicely for that as well. Looking at the back of the pack, you can see that the top lid is also attaches to these little webbing on the shoulder straps here. So you can detach those G loops there. And then under that, you actually have Velcro that attaches here. So you can see it completely comes off. The thing about the Velcro is it's nice because it keeps it in place. But if you do use this expansion collar, then the Velcro isn't going to be able to be used at all. So it's just kind of there. And you would have to go ahead and expand this, creating kind of like this floating lid to really take advantage of this expansion collar. Nevertheless, the top lid is a cool additional feature that they have on the Prism pack that is special for the Prism and not featured on any of their other packs. Looking at the back of this pack, we can also see that we do have a nice foam area here. The back has this integrated plastic sheet here that is a dual density foam back panel. It creates some nice comfort, and it also has these 3 divisions here, and that allows it to really articulate around your back as you're climbing. The back panel isn't as breathable though, so that is something just to keep in mind when you are getting this pack. Now, one thing that makes this pack different compared to the other Hyperlite packs that they have traditionally for backpacking is those packs actually have 2 frame stays in the middle to help maintain the structure of the pack, where this one has one main one right in the middle. And that's to allow it to have a little bit more movement and versatility around your back as you are climbing. If you choose to remove it, it is removable as well. Looking at the hip belt here, you also have some nice dual density foam inside it to help give you some nice comfort, but also some rigid structure. It is removable, so you can go ahead and slide it out if you choose, or you can also swap it out for a different hip belt that Hyperlite makes. The hip belt also features an offset buckle, so rather having 2 buckles that meet in the middle, you have one buckle that actually goes all the way to the left side hip. And that reduces the clutter around the midpoint of your waist area. The hip belt also features this woven Dyneema, which gives it a little bit extra stiffness. The hip belt also has these 2 gear loops to attach gear to, ice clipper slots as well here in the corners if you want to go into full alpine mode. Looking at the shoulder straps here, you can see that it does feature a little daisy chain loop here on each shoulder strap, as well as a sternum chest buckle here with a little emergency wheel seal that is built into the buckle. This is pretty similar to everything you see on the other Hyperlite packs, and it has minimal kind of cushion in here, but it's sufficient. It's still plenty comfortable for what it is. There are no load lifters here, but from my experience, these packs don't really need it. They do sit close to your back, and the weight is distributed pretty evenly throughout, so you don't really need the load lifters for that. You also have 4 side compression straps, 2 on each side. These do a good job to help compress the load when you aren't carrying a lot of things to help secure it so nothing's rattling. It also does a good job of securing any things that are pretty tall, such as tent poles or any additional trekking poles or anything like that. But they can also be used to hold ski carry in A-frame style. And that's what I traditionally got this for originally, was for the A-frame ski carry, so I can use it for ski mountaineering trips. But they did come out with a new pack called the Headwall 55, and that's more of a ski mountaineering pack. So I'll be looking at that when I do have it available. You can see the review here when that is available. You also have two side pockets here on the bottom of each side, and they're fairly shallow, low profile pockets, but they do a good job holding either wands or the tips of trekking poles, pickets, or even tent poles. Anything that's really long that you need additional storage for, these can hold it, and then you can secure it down with these compression straps if needed. They are a bit shallow from my experience for water bottles, but if you have a shorter water bottle, you can fit it on in here. They're also angled so you can be able to grab anything in here from behind you if you need to. When the pack is pretty stuffed, these pockets can be fairly tight to the body, and it can be a little bit hard to get things in and out of. Another thing is you have a pretty durable grab handle here in the back, so when your pack is all nice and stuffed and you're transitioning it from car and things like that, you can go ahead and lift up the whole entire contents through this little handle. Let's talk about the durability and build quality of this pack. First off, the durability is absolutely excellent. Being Dyneema, it's a very good material that is extremely durable. It does a good job being a bit resistant towards scrapes and scuffs on rocks and stuff. It's also going to be pretty resistant to tears. It is built in Mexico, but there's nothing this pack skips out on. It is high quality. The stitching is absolutely perfect. The seams are all sealed as well. And it's a highly durable pack that has excellent build quality. Let's talk about the comfort. This pack is pretty comfortable. One, you're saving pounds by going with a pack like this. It is a rather simple, minimalistic kind of pack that has sufficient padding where it's needed and nowhere where you don't, so it's not adding to the weight. One of the downsides of this pack is just the shape of the bottom here. It's a little bit more concave, and so if you did try to rest it and your pack had more stuff inside of it, it could easily tip over pretty easily. So it's hard to just stand up like the other packs like the Junction and Southwest. So concluding thoughts, overall this is a very good pack that has some pros and cons. The first pro obviously is it's ultra light, so you can have a super lightweight pack that goes out for your winter activities that's not going to really kill your back. Another pro is it's pretty versatile. You can have it really stuffed up to about 55 liters, really expand it, or you can compress it down very nicely as well. It has your necessary attachments as well for your mountaineering and climbing specific activities, but you can also use it out in the backcountry for typical backpacking. Another cool feature is the removable top lid that allows you to have some additional storage and also some additional compression as well. Another thing being Dyneema is it is pretty water resistant, so you don't have to worry about water creeping up into your gear as well. Now there are a few cons to this pack, as some of the other Hyperlite Mountain Gear packs, the back panel is not very breathable, so you can have a sweaty back at that, but overall it wasn't a huge discomfort for me. Another con is it's pretty pricey. This is one of the most pricier packs that Hyperlite Mountain Gear makes at $425. But if you're considering how long it's going to last, as well as all the versatility you can have, it's pretty worth it. Another con, but this is a little bit minor at that, is that it is this white material that can show up stains and stuff pretty easily, such as grass, dirt, mud, anything like that. But if you're using it primarily for winter activities out in the snow, you're not going to have to worry about that so much. So what did you think of the Hyperlite Mountain Gear Prism Pack? Is this a gear you'll add for your mountaineering adventures? Leave me a comment in the comments section. Let me know your thoughts. If you like what you saw, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe for more backcountry content like this. And as always, thanks for watching.